Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to install OpenStack, basically with Open Virtual Network and Open vSwitch enabled. We already have two repository in GitHub. If you want to test that, also you can clone that. But let's go to the installation. I already cloned my repo. I will demonstrate to you how to install OpenStack OVN enable. So it is same like OVS. The repository is particularly same. You can follow the README if you want, but okay, let's start. This required full software. For software, we already installed it, and let's go to the installation step. From the folder of OpenStack OVN Ansible, after you clone that, you just run vagrant app and vagrant provision with deploy and post deploy. After that, just enter and just wait after that. The process will run itself to install OpenStack OVN Ansible. The process will take a long time, so I will skip this part, but it will do that automatically, so don't worry. So as you can see, the installation is already complete. So let's add the computer specific zone if necessary, so we will do that. Vagrant and just basically copy this one and run. So the installation is already complete. So let's open the dashboard. This is the dashboard. We will use the default username and password. So this is the dashboard of the OpenStack. You can see many details in there, but let's go to the test, the performance test. I will try to demo. So to the performance test, let's go back to the code. And we will go to the folder Terraform in there and OpenStack VM. We can check the README. This is for the OpenStack network performance test on the OVN. We have a 4 tests basically, the SNSG, SNDC, then DC and the NSG, but I will try to demo you a specific test, that is single network, single compute. Just copy this, just run the Terraform init, and run the Terraform apply. It will do all of the tests. Just wait a second. Enter yes, and let's wait. So the test basically will create two compute, two virtual machine on the single network and single compute. We can check on the dashboard, it will automatically create it, and we can see the topology in there. So it is basically created two network there, two virtual machine, and it is on the single network, and the script will test the performance automatically from both of the virtual machine.